On to the big story from Odisha that Republic TV is tracking. The murder and then rape of 5-year-old Pari that has shocked the country. The details that are emerging. Now the case of 5-year-old Pari, whose body was found near a pond about 5 months ago, has taken a political turn now. The BJP claiming that a BJD minister was linked to the accused and was trying to shield the murderer. There is a demand for a CBI investigation, while the father of the deceased has threatened to self-immolate if the accused is not brought to book. The court had earlier granted protection to the family, and there is a big controversy brewing in Odisha as we track the story and the complete details. Let me go across to Madhurima, joining us live from Bhubaneswar, tracking the story very closely. There are protests across different parts of Odisha seeking justice for 5-year-old Pari, who was murdered and then raped. The SIT probing the case has said that the prime accused in this case had strangled the 5-year-old when she resisted a rape attempt. And after the 5-year-old was killed, they attempted rape with the corpse of the 5-year-old. Now, these are gory details that have emerged from the investigation conducted by the SIT. Madhurima, now there is a political controversy around the alleged role of a minister which the BJP claims is trying to shield some of the accused. Now, what are the facts and what do we know so far? Let's just stick to the facts and what we know so far.
Well, Niranjan, this entire case has sparked a major political controversy here in the state of Odisha. And the details which are coming to fore is that there is much more than what meets the eye. The family of the victim has surprisingly rejected that the accused who has been framed did the act which has been said by the police. We'll talk about the same with the BJP General Secretary of Odisha here, Niranjan Lekha Shriji. Ma'am, today you've organized this entire event. What are your demands? What are you seeking from the BJD government here?
See, this incident of a little girl who was brutally killed, her eyes and kidneys were removed and her body was chopped to pieces. A few bones and some hair was left. This happened on the July 14th. But till 4.5 months, the local police, Nayagarh police, did nothing. They were trying to shield the real culprits, who's a ganja mafia from this place, Babuli Naik, and he was being given protection by a local BJD MLA, who is also a senior minister in the state cabinet, Arun Sahu. So both these people, Babuli Naik and Arun Sahu, are in the dock, and to protect them, the police did nothing. The state government set up an SIT. From the beginning, we have been saying that we are not interested in an SIT. SIT cannot give justice because the local police, state police, has been sitting on this case for last 5 months.
Are you saying that this is not the case like the police has presented?
Not at all. Not at all. It's a case of brutal murder, of organ trafficking, of money laundering, of interstate gangs of organ trafficking. And one small girl, she was playing, actually all these things, the victim's mother and father, her parents have already said. But I don't know why the police is not taking into cognizance what the victim's parents have said. Rather, they are going by what the minister is saying, who himself is one of the accused.
Ma'am, the reports are there that the accused has been framed and was even offered a bribe to confess the crime.
The accused, the SIT is saying, Saroj Sethi, has himself come in front of the media and he has said that the SIT chief, Arun Bothra, offered me 5 lakhs to accept that I have done this crime, and they will show me as juvenile, and like in the Nirbhaya case, I will go scot-free and 5 lakhs will be given to my family. But I have not done this and I don't want to confess to this thing which they are saying because I haven't done it. But Arun Bothra is hell-bent on proving that Saroj Sethi is the criminal because they want to let Arun Sahu, the state minister, and Babuli Naik, both of whom belong to the Biju Janata Dal, they want to allow them to go scot-free. So this is a very serious thing over here. And the SIT also. SIT Chief Arun Bothra, since day one we have been saying he does not have police power. He was chairman of MD of OSRTC, which is the Odisha State Road Transport Corporation. So after we raised this issue, the state government has backdated and given him position as IG crime. So all these things are before in the public domain. So how the government is trying to hoodwink the people, they are doing one-sided investigation into this and trying to protect the local minister and Biju Janata Dal. That is why we are demanding that CBI investigation is the only way. And also NCPCR, our national spokesperson Dr. Sambit Patra had gone to the NCPCR, which is National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. And the NCPCR has given very strong stricture that the local SP and collector of Nayagarh district have lied before the NCPCR that Saroj Sethi surrendered. It is not true. He did not surrender. He was forced. He was forced to say that he is guilty in this. And also the NCPCR has recommended that a strong disciplinary action be taken against the local SP and collector. So local SP and collector and the SIT chief, so the DGP of the state, all are hand in glove. They are saying this SIT is court monitored. SIT is not court monitored. Court is hearing a PIL on this case, but it is not monitoring this case. So all these things point that Biju Janata Dal is trying to shield Arun Sahu and Babuli Naik, who are BJD workers and leaders, and the chief minister also is hand in glove with them. We are very apprehensive about this child trafficking and organ trafficking gang. In the past 2 years, as per NCRB report, 5,500 children have gone missing in this state. And in the last 5 years, 27,000 children. So that is not a small thing. It's a big issue. And we are not letting this government go scot-free on this. We are demanding CBI investigation or nothing. They cannot hoodwink us with by saying that.
Okay, we've lost the audio with Madhurima there. I'd like to also play out, in fact, Sambit Patra of the BJP responding to the story where the SIT has released details of the rape and murder of the Nayagarh minor.